love aromatic rice dishes, you will enjoy this one. Today we're making a fragrant Persian Basil Rice or Reyhan Polo in Farsi. Let's start. We start with the rice, choosing white long grain Iranian rice or basmati for the best results. Rinse the rice several times until the water runs almost clear. Add 1 tablespoon salt and soak in salted water for 30 minutes. Okay, now we move on to the vegetables. I peel 2 medium potatoes and dice them into small cubes and set them aside so they are ready when we need them later in the recipe. Perfect. And now it's time to deal with a big onion. I peel it, chop it into little cubes, and let it hang out on the slight lines, just like the potatoes, waiting for its moment to shine. Perfect. Alright, now it's the ginger and garlic's turn to take the stage. I grab my trusty grater and grate them up so they can join the party in the next step. Just like this. Alright, it's time for the superstar of this dish, the herb that even gave its name to the recipe. I grab the freshest basil leaves called Reyhan in Farsi and give them a rough chop. Not too tiny though, we don't want these little stars disappearing into thin air. And wow, just smell that amazing fresh aroma. So good. As you can see, all the veggies and herbs are chopped and ready to go. Now let's get started with the cooking. Melt the butter in the pan. Toss in those chopped onions with a little salt and fry them until they are nice, soft, basically until they stop complaining. And then bring in the minced beef to join the party and mix it with the fried onions. Brown the meat until it's nicely colored. Then add the grated garlic and ginger to kick up the flavor. Now it's time to season and add some color to our meat mixture. I'm adding turmeric, cinnamon powder, salt and pepper. Give it all a quick saute for about a minute to wake up those spices. Next, stir in the tomato paste and let it cook for about a minute to deepen the flavor, and toss in the diced potatoes. Fry the potatoes for 2-3 minutes, just until they get a little color. Then add freshly chopped basil or Reyhan in Farsi and gently saute for about 1-2 minutes. Don't overcook it. Basil loses its amazing aroma fast. Our meat and basil mixture is ready, so I'm transferring it into a pot. Now remember that rice we soaked in salted water earlier? Go ahead and drain it. Then add the rice to the pot with the meat mixture and pour in cold tap water. For basmati rice, the rule is 1.5 cups of water for each cup of rice. Since we use 3 cups of rice, that comes to 4.5 cups of water. Bring the pot to a gentle boil over medium heat, uncovered, until most of the water has evaporated. This usually takes 5-7 minutes. Reduce the heat to low, cover with a tight lid and cook for 20-25 minutes. Turn off the heat and let it rest for 5 minutes. Gently fluff the rice with a fork or spatula. much for watching. This is Let's Cook with Rozina. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next recipe.